Merry Vlogmas Day 5 and happy winter holidays if you observe one. If not, happy December 5th. Today we're going to visit the Cabazon Dinosaurs. We're also doing some Christmas thrifting and Christmas decoration shopping. I love this stocking and I was so excited to buy it. I also got this stocking for my dog. I love thrifting during Christmas. This cute little chipmunk was very cheap at Marshall's, so I had to get it. Also, you know I love pink bulbs and pink paper. I've been looking for a tree skirt and I was really happy to find one that I liked. Also, I love penguins. Love snowmen. Cabazon is a park with over 100 dinosaur statues, plus lights and other Christmas decorations since it's the holiday season. Cabazon is just 20 minutes west of Palm Springs, or about an hour and 20 minutes east of Los Angeles. The cost per person to enter the park is $15. Look how tiny I am next to this giant T-Rex. Because we're paying to enter the park, we're going to be able to climb up into the head of that giant T-Rex. The giant dinosaurs that can be seen from the freeway regularly receive new coats of paint in different themes to attract visitors. That's why Mr. Rex, the name of the giant T-Rex, is currently wearing a Santa suit. Tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 6, we will be going to Riverside for the Mission Inn Festival of Lights, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that. This dinosaur park was created by Claude Bell. Construction began in 1964. When the late Huell Hauser visited, he was quoted as saying, "If there was ever a California roadside attraction, this is it." This is the gift shop that you see after you pay to enter. The cost is $15 per person. The omnipresent dinosaur kitsch is one of my favorite things about the desert Southwest. I've super loved dinosaurs ever since I was a little kid, and that's one of the things that's so charming about driving along the desert Southwest. There are so many dinosaur roadside attractions, which just reminds you that deep down, we're all super, super fascinated by and charmed with dinosaurs. Now, I'm not entirely certain, but I'm pretty sure that these light up dinosaurs are a new addition this year. If anyone can confirm that, please let me know in the comments. Okay, now it's time to climb the giant T-Rex, which I mentioned earlier is named Mr. Rex, which I think is the perfect name for him. Mr. Rex was completed in 1986. He is 65 feet tall. Mr. Rex also used to have a slide on his tail, like a Flintstone style slide, but it was too steep and too dangerous, and it had to be removed. We have to climb 3 sets of stairs to make it to his mouth because, like I mentioned before, we can climb into his mouth. The stairs are slightly steep and awkward, but it's not too bad. Just be careful. So, is this what being a dentist feels like? In any case, it's probably the closest I'll ever be to being a dentist. It's pretty cool up here. You can see the freeway and the Morongo Casino in the distance. Um, yep, we're in the mouth. I think it was worth it. It used to be more.